Hello guys, some of you recently told us about the problem after activating premium access of LARIS. They still get a warning message of broadcast limitation. Okay, first you need to do this. This is because your program installation is error or corrupted. So go to right click the LARIS icon and then go to the Chrome store like this, and please reinstall your LARIS by right click, remove like this. You can ignore this. After that, add it to Chrome again. Okay. Okay, now open LARIS and then use your account to login again like this. So now we make sure we won't get any broadcast limitation again, because that is an error from the program. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.